Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install OpenCode in VS Code. So first of all, let me open VS Code. You can see the Visual Studio code. You have to install it. That's it. And when here we are going to just maximize it. So this is the VS Code interface. Here you have to actually go for the terminal. So click here on the three dot and go for the terminal. And the shortcut is you can see Control plus Shift plus backtick key. Okay, so click here. Then now here you're going to actually say here that npm okay space I space hyphen g space open code hyphen ai at latest. If you hit enter, you can see npm command not found. Why? Because we haven't actually installed Node.js in our PC yet. So if I say here node-v, you can see I don't have any Node.js installed in my PC, right? So first of all, if you want to run this command, you have to have Node.js installed in your PC. So let's go for the Node.js official site, okay, Node.js, and now here we'll go there. Now let's go for the get Node.js. Now here I'm from Linux, so I have this. If you're from Windows, you just have to download this Node.js file and then you have to install this. Now here we have to actually copy this at first, then go back here in the terminal and then paste it here and hit enter. Alright, and after that let's copy the next command, and that is this one. Let's copy this, paste it here. There we go. Now let's go for this one. So we are going to actually go with the version 26, right? So let's select version 26, and then now we are going to actually copy this, okay? And then go here and paste it here, and you can see downloading and installing Node.js. Now we are going to go for the next one, and that is we are going to actually check that we get Node.js or not. So node-v, you can see I get the Node.js version. If I say here npm-v, I should get the npm version of it. You can see. Okay guys, now here we have to say bash. Okay, now here you can see this is our terminal. Now if I say here node-v, I will get the Node.js version. You can see I get the Node.js version. If I run the command npm space I space hyphen g space open code hyphen ai at latest. Okay, if I hit enter, then you can see downloading the OpenCode AI and the latest version. So we have to wait for some time here. Okay guys, here you can see we have successfully installed this. Now to check the OpenCode version, we will say here OpenCode hyphen version. Sorry, OpenCode, right? Yeah. OpenCode hyphen version, and I will get the OpenCode version, the latest version here you can see. Now if I want to open OpenCode, I will say OpenCode and I hit enter, then OpenCode will be open. Now I can actually write down here any code. I can change the theme also. If I say here /themes, then I can get here no more theme, you can see, right guys? I can press ESC button to get the home page, and then if I say / and then models, you can see I have different models here. So the big pickle is also free, and this is the best one because I get best result repeat. Okay, so select this one. That's it guys. This is how actually you can install OpenCode in your PC. If you're from Windows, very simple. You just have to install this, and you can open OpenCode anywhere in your PC. Okay, you can install it through VS Code terminal also. But if you're from Linux, you have to actually follow these steps. That's it. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.